How you doing today? We are on our way down to Utah Lake State Park because we are going sailing out on Utah Lake.
Yes, we are.
It's our 37th anniversary and this is our little getaway.
Yay! What?
I'm Doug. I've been sailing for about 35 years, so I'm starting to learn what to do. Safety is our #1 priority, of course. If you fall overboard, it can take anywhere between 5 and 10 seconds before the pill dissolves. So now you all said you know how to swim. Mm-hmm. Good, because in those 5 or 10 seconds you can inhale a lot of water if you don't know how to swim. So, and like I said, you just pull on this if it doesn't. And if worst comes to worst, open up the Velcro and there's a little tube, you can inflate it. Things that are called lifelines. So hopefully keep you from going overboard. Okay. This is a winch. It's a really nifty device. If you spin it clockwise, it spins great. And you hear the clicking, so something suspicious there. So what that is, that's a ratchet. So if I try to turn it counterclockwise, it will not go. All right, so let's say I've got a lot of, I've got the sail fully out, and so there's a lot of force, and it's kind of fighting me, so I don't want it to go out any further. So if I wrap it around a couple times here, so you see how the surface is really rough? Okay, that's not because it's old, they're designed that way. So go ahead and hold that. So if we were to get in a tug of war, she's going to win this tug of war, and with just 2 fingers is all she needs. She just needs to hold enough tension on here so that friction can do its job. Now, when we do this, people sometimes want to wrap it like this. They want to put their fingers like this. Did you notice that I have my hand like this? If I put my fingers like this, then as I'm wrapping it, if we get a big gust of wind, my finger could get trapped under there and could get smashed. So we always hold the heel of our hand toward the winch as we're wrapping it around there. That way we're not going to get our fingers smashed. The cover here, this dark blue cover, protects the sail. The sail's biggest enemy is the sun. And so this protects it from the ultraviolet light. So let's go ahead and take it off. Here's where I could definitely use some help. So you guys start at the back here.
I'm just gonna
These nifty little things, you just turn it 90 degrees.
a little bit of water here.
Hey Melly,
Yeah.
look up. Wave. I make the memories though.
So, you want to take it? Okay, you got it. So you're going out tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. So they're a little bit back. You're going to see there's a red buoy and a green buoy. And so as we're leaving the harbor, we always want to keep the red buoy on our left side and our green buoy on the right side.
How long a boat is this?
This is a 25-footer,
And what's the brand or?
Catalina.
Okay.
It's a pretty popular brand. They're you see them pretty much everywhere. I feel a little bit of wind. I think we might actually be able to do some sailing.
And then go ahead and point out up where we're headed.
Yeah, it feels good.
In fact, I think we can probably.
Can you remind me again of your name?
Holly.
Holly.
Yeah.
Holly is Sean.
It's funny how you can hear names
Yeah.
and then they're gone in seconds.
I
It's like, wait a
know.
minute.
So the one in the back is the mainsail. The one in the front is called the jib. Melanie, can you grab the tiller
Sure.
there? And so I want you to keep us. Take, actually play with it a little while.
Okay.
Pull it one way and see what happens. Push it the other way, see what happens. Now wrap it around a couple of times. The handle here has got a little lock, so if you push with your thumb, you see it lines up, and so that you can put it on. I'll tail it here. So give it a couple of cranks. Let's get it nice and tight. Now we want to raise the jib. Now at this point we need to decide which direction we want to sail. So with the main you want to be going directly into the wind, but with the jib you want to be a little bit off, about 10 degrees off. Rather than going toward the shore, let's go the other way. Let's go away from the shore. And then hold it so that we're going maybe 20 or 30 degrees off from the wind. Okay, so we're now right at the wind. Okay, that's good right there. That's enough. Okay, so pick some point on the horizon, not at the arrow on the horizon, and just hold a steady course for that. Okay, hold it. Okay, so now we need to tighten it up a bit.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Look at those clouds coming.
So pretty.
Okay, so we slowed down a little bit. So we're a little bit into the no-go zone. So take us maybe 10 degrees, that way, and you'll find that we'll pick up speed. Okay, that's good. Over there, and you'll see that we'll start picking speed.
Looks like the birds catch the draft and they hover right up a.
Yeah, that one, anyway. So the mainsail is controlled by this sheet, and by. Okay, good.
Uh-oh.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to immediately go to a beam reach. You be the spotter.
What am I spotting, the man?
The man.
Okay.
Point to the man overboard. Okay. And don't take your eyes off the man overboard. The biggest danger of man overboard is you lose sight of him.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So now I'm going to do a quick tack. Can you move? Okay, I'm going to do a real quick. Get in the marina a little sooner, not why. So can you turn us left?
Yeah.
Let's put us on a beam. Very nice. Oh yes, that's good, guys. All right, how about some thumbs up? Beautiful. Oh, you will like that.
So it's just
Hey, bonus points for that. That's
there
nice.
you go. 1, 2, 3.
Just catch this this last one.
Last little bit of the sun. Beautiful.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
So Mel, what are you thinking?
That's beautiful.
Tell me, Mel, is this the life?
This is the life. All I need is a chair. I mean, all I need is a cushion that is a straight up cushion because I have a bad back.
Well, on my boat, when I was out on the long cross ocean passes, I had a special chair that was just like that.
Oh, yeah.
It was kind of like a lazy boy recliner,
Yeah.
except it would be for a
see,
bunk.
see, there you go. That is the life. That's totally the life. I'm not sure where I'm going though.
Yeah, that brings me to the last thing.
Okay.
I've got Alzheimer's and I've forgotten where the marina is.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah, you too.
What'd you think?
It was great. It was beautiful. There's these little bugs.
Oh boy, these
Little
bugs are
bugs.
thick. Whoa, I think they'll land and nest in your hair.
I think so too.
Woo. Good times. Did you like it?
Loved it. Loved it, loved it.
Happy anniversary.
You too, man. 37 years.
Ah, bugs everywhere.
Close your mouth.